And now what we are going to do is we need to create the family that we can make it into this project to make our shape. How we can do it? We just going to create a file, go to new family, then we are going to generic model adaptive, this one. And actually with this one we can make a lot of stuff, like really a lot of things. What we are going to do is we are going just to make the points 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Let's just copy all of them, copy like that. Then we select all of them, adaptive, as we can see here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, like that. Okay, now we're just going to create, select all these, then we came to this line, split through points, just like that. And also here the same, just like that. Then from this one, select this one and this, create that line also. Then select this one and this one, then create this one. Then we are just going to select this shape, create form, let's just make it very thin for now. And select the material. Let's make it white. Press this one. Then okay. Then let's load it to the project. And we go to the 3D. And just before that, we need to select this and make the node shows the points. And also this one. And we press this one to make the node shows the point. Okay, now let's go to